way our bodies function and how well we feel physically surely depends on our age. But did you know your body could be showing signs of aging that don't align with the number of candles you blew out on your last birthday? There are two main culprits that accelerate the aging process of our skin: sun exposure and advanced glycation end products, that is AGEs. These chemicals are formed when protein or fat combine with sugar. In this video, we will tell you 5 everyday foods that may fasten your aging process. Before we start, please make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any update. Number 1. Sweets. When people consume more sugar than their cells can synthesize, excess sugar molecules bond with proteins and trigger a process that can affect the skin collagen, the protein that keeps the skin elastic and youthful. Also, sugar damages teeth, causing tooth decay and discoloration. Refined sugar consumption is also one of the leading causes of type 2 diabetes, obesity, and heart diseases. Number 2. French fries. French fries can hit the spot, both in the satisfaction department and the age production department, as they're fried and salty. Foods fried in oil at high temperatures release free radicals that can cause cellular damage to the skin. Exposure to free radicals accelerates the aging process due to an action called cross-linking. Cross-linking affects DNA molecules and can weaken the skin's elasticity. Number 3. Charred meat. Black chars on grilled meat contain pro-inflammatory hydrocarbons, which could cause the collagen of your skin to be damaged. You don't necessarily need to avoid barbecuing, but in any case, you should make sure you scrape off the black chars and clean the grill when you're finished. Number 4. Soda and coffee. What soda and coffee do to your health have more to do with sleep than skin. First, both are high in caffeine, which if you drink frequently throughout the day to night may affect your sleep. Poor sleep has been linked to increased signs of aging and more dark eye circles, wrinkles, and fine lines. Number 5. Margarine. We hope you ditched this butter substitute years ago. But if not, listen up. Not all fats are created equal, and margarine more often than not. The culprit in margarine is trans fat, which destroys hydration. The less your skin is hydrated, the faster the wrinkles appear. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.